Yes, I find it interesting. How long have you been here?
I've been here for 2 hours. What about you?
I arrived an hour ago. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every day. Do you?
Yes, I come here to study. Do you study alone?
Sometimes. Do you prefer to study alone or with friends?
I like studying with friends. Do you use the library computers?
Yes, I do. Do you use them?
Yes, I use them for research. Do you have a favorite spot here?
Yes, I like the corner table. Do you have a favorite spot?
I like the window seat. Do you read books here?
Yes, I read books and study. Do you borrow books from here?
Yes, I do. What kind of books do you borrow?
I borrow science books. What about you?